Flux transfer rebuild. On va commencer. We'll start by putting these pieces on. There's a flat and a little edgy section. You want to put the flat down and the edgy up. This. And then we put this in to this. And you want to watch for damage on the edge here. If there's too much damage, the dropper will the dropper will not work. Like this will go through and then your lever will get stuck in the press position and you won't know what's happening. So a way around this is you just rotate this part such that the balls will be on a new section here. So that's what we'll do on this one. So you put this in, and then I'll watch for the section that is exposed. I'll be using this, which will help me to compress and see, you know, what section is exposed. So I'm gonna turn it a little bit more. Yeah, that's not bad. Okay. And then we'll put the ball in. So I need to compress this all the way, and this is hard, such that I'm able to put the ball in. One, two. Oh, I need to put grease. Sorry.
J'ai besoin d'un fou pour me tenir le bain. Là, là.
Okay, once more. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, once I have this, I get it in. That was the hard part. And I slide this through. Okay. So see, it got stuck. We can now try it. Stick. This is too. Bad. Okay, so now that this is on top, you're gonna have to grease the section in order for it to slide properly. Shake. And we want to grease the section that slides. Okay, gonna put a bit more. All right. That's good. All right. Okay, next. We're gonna bring the dropper down for us to insert that extra piece here. Okay, so now I can see the end of it. And so I'm gonna put this part in. Okay, you see there's little flap, little section, like these two sections. They go opposite to the little Teflon pad. So the Teflon pads are here and there, and then these two little parts go up and down. So I'm just gonna insert it at the bottom. All right. So it's like that. Then we're gonna re-enter these. 1, 2. 3. 4. Okay. Like this. And we're gonna put this one on. You notice there's like a large section and a small section. The large section goes here and here, and the small section goes here and here. That's gonna be a bit of a trick because we have to insert the rods into the opening. Oh. And this little flap goes into the opening. There it is. Let me put this on. This little clip, C-clip. I'm gonna need a little help there. Okay, so beware because if the clip is not in place, this will just jump right out. All right, there's a little rubber seal that goes in here. You can put on top. I'm just gonna delay that. Next part is inserting this piece. So we wanna put it here. There's like an area where it locks in. And we're gonna grease this section better. I'm just not gonna do it for the demo, just a sec. We're gonna have to bring this part in with its seal. This one is very used. It's just for show. I'm gonna put it in here. You will need this part here. Yeah?
Oh, that's fun.
All right. So normally we'd put grease in here. So this one is worn out. We're not gonna reuse it. It's just to show you how to fix it. All right. So then this one here, this little guy, there's an orientation that works. There it is. And then we want to have the back here to be aligned with the lower leg, such that when you're on your seat, oh sorry, the opposite. Because when you're on your seat, you're always forcing the seat post towards the back. So you want to have, you know, more support here and there while it's doing this. So the transfer normally goes in the back. So that goes in the back. Yep. There it is. And then I'm just gonna rotate. Enfin, à un blanket. and this part has to go all the way in. There it is. I was not lying. Like, this should line up with this one here. Okay, so I dropped this in the process, but it's not a big of a deal. Okay, last part, because we're in, is we would screw that back here, close the dropper, and we have to screw this part in. Now the trick to get that part out is to find a piece like this that will get in, which you will be able to screw in using a box. So we basically dismounted a air valve system that has exactly the right diameter. So you put that in here, and it has the hole, so it'll stick through the bottom of the dropper. I'm just gonna do it one by one. This here. So you see there's a little pin that needs to go in the middle. I'm gonna put that around. And then I'm gonna use this. You called it. And then you can screw this guy back with this guy back in here with this little screw, which we're missing, this one, and you will be good to go.